Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to prepare an attractive poster. You know well, it is for high school students. It comes under paper 2. Question number 34. It carries 5 marks. Manzoor Ali here, English Econ. What is poster? Poster gives a small piece of information to the public or a particular group of people. The main intention of the poster is to catch or take the attention of the people. How should be a poster? A poster must be attractive and it must give an appropriate message through a simple context and very short sentences. Is there any format or layout of the poster? Yes, there is a simple format. One can easily understand the purpose of the poster in one look, and it must be eye-catching. A good poster must have following. Number 1, heading is purpose of the poster. Number 2, program details. Number 3, date, time and venue. Number 4, issuing authority. Now we will learn how to design a poster.
Now we will see in detail format and layout of poster. The main purpose will be fulfilled by including this for a perfect poster. Those are heading of the poster. Then address the targeted people or students. You may use slogans and captions to make the poster attractive. Then write the purpose of the poster. You may draw pictures if any. Then write the program details like date, time and venue. Lastly, mention the issuing authority. Remember here, to make the poster attractive, use very simple and light colors and draw an outline.
Now we will see different types of posters.
Those are advertisement of schools and colleges, Haritaharam tree plantation, save the tree and save the nature, save water, save life, health and hygiene awareness programs, polio vaccination, control and prevention of epidemics and pandemics, roads and safety measures, circus and exhibition posters, poster of films and cinemas, poster of public and political meetings.
Here is a list of slogans. You may use these slogans while preparing a poster.
Health is precious. Protect it. Safety is not a slogan. It's a way of life. Prevention is better than cure. Let us break the chain of coronavirus. Stay home. Stay safe. Keep social distancing. Wear masks and wash hands frequently with sanitizer. If you save the water, water will save you. Save tree, save earth. Go green to keep earth clean. Protect trees, protect nature, protect future. Wear helmet, put up seat belt. Likewise, many more.
Now we will see a model question and its answer.
As you know, the pandemic COVID-19 is spreading quickly all over the globe. You wanted to bring some awareness among your school friends. Imagine that you are the secretary, school health club. Prepare a poster on prevention from coronavirus. for displaying on the bulletin board of your school. Read the question carefully, pick out the heading and purpose of the poster. Then begin writing the poster. As per the question, the heading of the poster is Prevention from Coronavirus. Then think for a suitable slogan and caption. Here I have taken a slogan and caption, that is, prevention is better than cure. Unite against COVID-19. Then who are targeted here? Your school friends. So I have addressed like, dear friends, your attention here. Then what is the purpose of the poster? It should be very precise in 1 or 2 sentences. That is, according to our question, coronavirus is spreading quickly all over the globe. To control or break the chain and to stop the spreading of this pandemic is everyone's responsibility. Here, I have included some requests to follow. Those are self-isolation, stay at home, stay safe, maintain social distancing, take good nutritional food that includes proteins, vitamins and minerals. Drink more water, especially warm water. Adopt natural ventilator, that means aerobics. Wear mask. Wash hands frequently with a soap or sanitizer. If you feel fever, cough or difficulty in breathing, immediately consult the doctor. Lastly, who is issuing authority as per question? That is Secretary School Health Club. Finally, draw an outline.
Hope you have understood well. If you are new here, consider subscribing and click on the bell icon to be notified on every update of English Econ.